Today we will discuss immunity. Immunity is defined as resistance exhibited by the host against foreign antigen, including microorganisms. The resistance play important role for prevention of disease. It is classified as innate, also known as native, or acquired, also known as adaptive immunity. The innate arm of our host defense perform two major functions. First, killing invading microorganism, and second, activating adaptive immune process. Innate immunity. The resistance an individual possesses by birth, also known as native immunity. An individual possesses by virtue of his genetic and constitutional makeup. It is not affected by prior contact with antigen and immunization. Types of innate immunity: specific and non-specific. Specific is particular for specific pathogen, and when so, resistance to infections in general means non-specific. Innate immunity again classified in species immunity, racial immunity, and individual immunity. First one is species immunity. Resistance to a pathogen shown by all members to a particular species, as entire human species is resistant to plant pathogens. Second, racial immunity. In a species, different races exhibit different in resistance to infection, as American Negroes. They are more susceptible than white race to tuberculosis. Third, individual immunity. Resistance varies with different individual from same race, that is based on studies on twin. Now, factors influencing innate immunity. Main factors are age, hormones, and nutrition. If we discuss about age, fetus and old person are more susceptible to infectious disease, like in case of hepatitis B, that is asymptomatic in newborn due to immature immune system. Hormones. Hormonal disorders such as diabetes, hypothyroidism, and adrenal dysfunction all enhance susceptibility to infections. Also, in case of increase corticosteroid, also decrease anti-inflammatory effects. Nutrition. Immune response is reduced in case of malnutrition patients. Both type of immune response, humoral and cell mediated. Line of defense. Skin act as first line of defense. Mucosa prevent entry of microorganisms and some antimicrobial proteins. Phagocyte act as second line of defense. Example: NK cells, natural killer cells, and complement cascade, and interferons. Some processes such as phagocytosis and inflammation. Innate immunity does not improve after exposure to the organism, and innate immune processes have no memory. These are the specific characters of innate immunity. Now, mechanism of innate immunity. Several components of innate arm recognize what is foreign by detecting certain carbohydrate or lipids on the surface of microorganisms that are different from those on human cells, and this is the identification process. In mechanism, we will discuss about epithelial surfaces, antibacterial substance in blood, microbial antagonism, cellular factors, inflammation, fever, and acute phase proteins. So, the first, epithelial surfaces act as first line of defense, also provide bactericidal secretions in form of high concentration in salt, in sweat, sebaceous secretions, long chain fatty acids, and soap contributes. These all act as first line of defense. The resistance bacterial flora help to prevent colonization of pathogens. Resistance bacterial flora means some specific kind of common flora that present on skin. Respiratory mucosa also act as mechanism of defense. For example, nose prevent entry of microorganism and dust particles. Mucus secretion of respiratory tract act as a trapping mechanism, and the cough reflex also act as an important defense mechanism. In the mouth, saliva also has an inhibitory effect on microorganisms. Some bacteria are destroyed by digestive juice, conjunctiva by flushing action of lacrimal secretion, and tears contain lysozyme that is bactericidal in nature. Flushing action of urine remove bacteria from urethra, and acidic pH of vaginal secretion also bactericidal, and in case of male, semen also contain spermine and zinc that is also bactericidal in nature. Antibacterial substance in blood and tissues. In blood and tissues, beta lysine, basic polypeptide, and lactic acid and lactoperoxidase also act as antibacterial. Cellular factors in innate immunity. Some cellular factors like phagocytic cells, micro and macro both, and NK cell, natural killer cells, also play an important role in innate immunity. Phagocytosis is divided in 4 stages: chemotaxis, attachment, ingestion, and intracellular killing. NK cell act as non-specific defense against viral infection and tumors. The diagram is showing action of cellular factors. Inflammation occurs as a result of tissue injury or irritation. Important non-specific defense mechanisms play a vital role in killing microorganisms. Rise in body temperature is a natural defense mechanism. Fever also stimulates the production of interferons and destroy the infecting organism. So this is about innate immunity. The diagram is showing flow chart of inflammation. So this is about the mechanism of innate immunity. In the next lecture, we will discuss about acquired or adaptive immunity.